Hello, welcome back, guys. Today's topic is operating system, and we will discuss some types of operating system and the examples of operating system. Okay, so flow will remain that we will first discuss operating system and then types of operating system, and then we will have some examples of operating system, and at the end we will solve some MCQs on this particular topic. Okay, so let's start. What is operating system? OS we say. Operating system, we have already discussed it in the previous lecture when we talked about the softwares, system software and application software. So operating system is actually system software. Okay, operating system is a system software. What was system software? System software is that software which makes computer to run, which makes a machine to run, which makes us to interact with the machine, or which makes a machine alive. Okay, like we said, for example, अगर देखा जाए तो जैसे हमारे पास कोई फ़ोन होता है या कोई मशीन है, आपके पास पूरा हार्डवेयर पड़ा है और उसमें कोई ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं है, या हम बोलते थे पुराने ज़माने कि इसका जैसे फ़ोन होता था और वो ख़राब हो जाए तो हम वो कहते हैं इसका सॉफ्टवेयर उड़ गया. Means you cannot interact, you cannot call anyone, you cannot view your images, you cannot do anything on that phone. Okay, because अब उसका जो सॉफ्टवेयर था दैट इज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, दैट सॉफ्टवेयर वो उड़ गया है. सो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर इज दैट सॉफ्टवेयर विच मेक्स machine alive or through which we can interact with the machine. So that was system software. Okay, now what is operating system? We say simply operating system is an interface between system and user. It is the means by which we can interact with the machine. Okay, यानी कि इसका मतलब ये है कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर होता है विद इन द मशीन जिसके ज़रिए हम इंटरेक्शन करते हैं मशीन के साथ, या बाकी काम, बाकी एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर हम व्यू कर सकते हैं, बाकी जो डेटा है हमारा वो व्यू कर सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ओनली. सो it has two types further. Operating system is of two types. One is CUI and another is GUI. ठीक है, कैटेगराइज दो कैटेगरीज है इसके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के. वो एक है CUI, एक है GUI. व्हाट इज CUI? CUI we say character user interface, character user interface, and GUI we say it is graphical user interface. So let us discuss what is character user interface and what is graphical user interface. So character user interface क्या होता है कि जिसमें हम इंटरेक्शन करते हैं मशीन के साथ थ्रू कैरेक्टर्स ओनली, थ्रू कमांड्स ओनली. ओके, दैट मीन्स कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल पुराने ज़माने में जैसे पहले कंप्यूटर आते थे तो उनमें जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता था वो डॉस होता था, डॉस बेस्ड या कमांड बेस्ड, लाइक टर्मिनल बेस्ड. उसमें क्या होता था कि आपको टाइप करना पड़ता, कोई भी टास्क करना हो, कोई भी लोकेशन आपको मेमोरी की एक्सेस करनी हो या कोई भी फाइल इंसर्ट करनी हो, डिलीट करनी हो, आपको कमांड्स रन करनी पड़ती थी. लाइक वी हैव टुडे कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट. ओके, लेट मी शो यू हियर द डेमो हाउ CUI टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लुक्स लाइक. यहाँ पे मैं CMD सी, इसका जो कलर है वो थोड़ा चेंज हुआ है, अदरवाइज इट इज बैकग्राउंड इज ब्लैक एंड द टेक्स्ट इज वाइट. ओके, सो सिंपली कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट ऐसे होता था. तो इसके साथ अगर मुझे इंटरेक्शन करनी है, ये ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मुझे रन करना है, जैसे ये डॉस बेस्ड है, लाइक डॉस ऐसे ही होता था. तो इसके लिए हमें अंडरस्टैंड, इसके लिए टेक्निकल स्किल्स होने चाहिए थे कि हमें पता होना चाहिए था कि ये लाइन क्या कह रही है यहाँ पे. So this is actually saying that I am in C drive in users folder in MGM folder. Okay, so let us see what does CD command do. CD से क्या होता है कि हम change directory कर सकते हैं. CD means changing directory. CD डॉट अगर मैं यहाँ पे एंटर करूँगा तो ये वन स्टेप बैक जाएगा, और फिर से CD डॉट तो ये वन स्टेप बैक जाएगा. So this type of operating system are based on the commands only. So we have to write some commands in order to view something. Like for example, अगर मुझे डेट देखना होता, करंट डेट, तो we have date command for that. Okay, अगर टाइम देखना हो तो we have time command for that. So it works on commands only. So you have to only remember this, that this operating system is based on commands, and it is very difficult to interact with this type of machine for a common user. Okay, you need to get trained to in order to work with this type of system. Okay, so this is CUI. you have remembered what is CUI, character user interface. Now we have graphical user interface. Nowadays we have graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means you have graphics there, okay? You have wallpapers, you have icons, you have folders, you have taskbar, you have menu bars, okay? You have folders, you have images and all that you can view easily. Means that any person, अगर आज भी देखा जाए हम किसी को भी फ़ोन देते हैं, इवन बच्चे को भी फ़ोन देते हैं, वो भी उसको भी पता चल जाता है कि यूट्यूब का आइकन क्या है, इसका आइकन क्या है, वो उस पर क्लिक करके देख लेते हैं कि किस में क्या है. तो इट इज़ ईजी टू गेट इंटरेक्टेड विद दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. जो आजकल हमारे पास ऑपरेटिंग लाइक वी हैव राइट नाउ, दिस इज़ विंडोज़. So Windows is a GUI type of operating system, okay? Like we have Android in our mobile smartphones, that is a GUI type of operating system. iOS in iPhones, that is a GUI type of operating system. Mac in Apple laptops and Ubuntu and this Linux based operating systems, all are GUI type of operating system. It is easy to get interactive with these type of machines, okay? Clear now? So let us discuss examples of operating system. There are two types in GUI. Some examples of operating system are like we have Windows. In case of laptops and desktops, I am talking Windows. Then we have Linux. Then we have Ubuntu. Then we have Mac. Okay, these are computer-based operating systems. And furthermore, if we talk about this. Wait one second. Okay, so this was all about the laptop and desktop operating system. If we talk about mobile, we have in mobile is we have Android. Okay, Android we have this what is called iOS. We have this Windows phones, okay? So these are all operating systems used in the mobile phones. So this was all about operating system, types of operating system and all, okay? Let us see some important points about operating system and from this competitive exam type of from the competitive exam point of view, we will see what are the important points there, okay? So चलिए देखते हैं. Here something is written here. See, as I have already discussed this, kids are making noise from outside. Okay, so operating system is an interface between computer and, I have already discussed this. Operating system is an interface between computer user and a computer hardware, okay? So this is the main thing which which helps us to interact with the machine. An operating system is a system software which performs all the basic tasks. Like देखो ये tasks आपको याद रखने क्या क्या, file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, controlling peripheral devices such as disk drivers and printers, etc. So all these tasks are handled by the operating system, okay? So then we have functions. Some of the important functions are memory management, process management, device management, file management, okay? Security, control over system performance, job accounting, error detecting aids, coordination between other software users. So these are all the functions of an operating system, we say, okay? So it is better written in you can see this image also. These are the functions of an operating system, you have to remember, okay? Now there are different types of operating system. When we talk about GUI type of operating system, there are different, okay? Like we have network operating system. This is also referred as NOS. NOS means network operating system. Network operating system runs on a server. It provides the capabilities to serve, to manage data, user ग्रुप सिक्योरिटी एप्लीकेशन एंड अदर इन नेटवर्क फंक्शंस. मीन्स एक सर्वर होता है, उसको एक्सेस करने उसी पे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, बाकी क्लाइंट जो है वो उसके थ्रू काम करते हैं. दैट इज एंड इट इज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम shared on a network, okay? Then we have mobile type of operating system which is used in mobiles like smartphones, tablets and wearable devices. Clear? So let's remember these important points about operating system. As we have discussed, operating system is an interface between user and system. Operating system were first developed in late 1950s. Remember this point, okay? कि कब 1950s में पहला ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ये हुआ था डेवलप. द कर्नल इज द सेंट्रल कंपोनेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. कर्नल जो होता है वो सेंट्रल कंपोनेंट होता है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, जिसका जॉब जो होता है वो मैनेज होता है टू मैनेज कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन सॉफ्टवेयर एंड हार्डवेयर. ओके, द मोस्ट पॉपुलर कर्नल्स और मोनोलिथिक एंड माइक्रो कर्नल्स, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, process device file input output secondary storage memory management, these are all functions we have already discussed from that image also. So these are the functions of an operating system. Batch, multitasking, time sharing, multiprocessing, real time, distributed network, mobile, or various types of operating, these are the various types of operating systems. Okay, so this was all about operating system. For the it is a very basic, I have not मैंने ये बहुत डीप नहीं गया मैं इसमें, बिकॉज देखो ये जो है, ये जो सीरीज़ है ये उनके लिए जो नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से भी है. मैंने कंप्यूटर जो होता है वो कंप्यूटर जो सेक्शन होता है वो हर एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जाता है, तो इसके रिलेटेड ही हमने ये वीडियो सीरीज़ तैयार की है, जो टेक्निकल एंड नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड मीन्स जिसका कंप्यूटर बैकग्राउंड है या नहीं है. ओके, सो वी विल सॉल्व सम MCQs ऑन दिस टॉपिक. And furthermore, we are going to bring the series within this playlist we are going to bring some videos. At least I have decided to bring a video of 200 MCQs, including all the topics we have covered and the future topics. But we will split that in different videos, means part 1, part 2, different 8 parts or 10 parts will be there, each part containing 25 MCQs. Okay, so thank you. Let us go to the MCQs section. Welcome. So here we go for MCQs. Okay, let's follow some MCQs on this operating system. So the first question here is it manages computer hardware and software. What is that called? Program, instruction, or operating system? Very simple questions are there on this topic, operating system. We have discussed this. So the correct answer is operating system for this. MS-DOS is an, DOS जो होता है, जो DOS होता था या है, वो क्या है? वो CUI है, GUI है, या none of these? क्या है? We have discussed already the example of CUI type of operating system is MS-DOS. Okay, so the correct answer is CUI. It offers graphical icons and visual indicators like folders, icons and all we have discussed. कौन सा है, कौन सा टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ये करता है? BUI नहीं. CUI कैरेक्टर यूज़र इंटरफेस, हमने बोला कि इसमें सिर्फ कैरेक्टर्स और कमांड से काम होता है. तो ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस, बिकॉज यहाँ पे भी ग्राफिकल टर्म आया, इट इज़ वेरी इजी, तो ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, then we have MS-DOS is an CUI, GUI, BUI, all of these. It's repeated, sorry for that. So we have CUI, already discussed that. Okay, coming to the next, CD command in DOS is used for. We have discussed this in recently, that CD is used for changing the directory, to change the directory. Okay, now mobile operating system is used for mobiles, tablets, wearable devices, all of the above. कौन सा आएगा? तो the correct answer for this is all of these, all of the above, क्योंकि मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मोबाइल में भी यूज होता है, टैबलेट में भी और वेरेबल डिवाइसेस में भी. देन वी हैव NOS मीन्स नो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, विंडोज एंटी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, network operating system, none of these. So NOS stands for network operating system, as discussed earlier. Okay, so these were all MCQs on this operating system topic, and as I discussed earlier that we will bring some MCQs of at least 300 to 400, but in different videos, part wise, and each video will contain at least 25 MCQs of all the topics of the knowledge on computer applications and fundamentals of computer and IT. Okay, so the first MCQ will be uploaded today. First MCQ video will be uploaded today. It will contain 25 or 26 questions, and the majority of the questions in that video have been already covered in these topics which we have covered from the recent days. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, do subscribe the channel. Thank you.